It's Dave, the boss, again. I've been trying to get laid for a long time, so I thought I'd try this stupid stunt from the staff. If you like me and you think my picture's great, and you're super hot, rich, have a great personality, and you're a wonderful human being, my phone number, take 2. Hi, it's Dave, the boss, again. Thank you for the calls and emails helping us build a better station for Las Vegas. Lately you've been asking for more ways to win stuff. How about this? Become my personal friend. It's way more than a VIP club. It's called Friends of the Boss. We'll have tons of free stuff, more ways for you to tell us what you want, and you'll earn rewards every time you do what you already do. Listen to 107.9 The Alternative. Join today and be my friend. As always, thanks for your time. I'm the boss, and I'll talk with you soon.